my beautiful people. My people, another one don't happen again. No, another one don't shell again, my darling people. Today, now about two guys where they just cash where they jogodo together, my darling people. Now, wow, not the way Musa no go see forget. Not the way Musa no go see forget. Oh, my darling people. Women don't finish for Nigeria. Women don't finish. We come be say now two men together. Women don't finish. As make you sweet rich. Wetin una dey look for woman for man like you. When make us full everywhere, my darling people. I go put the video more una listening by una self. Oh, whether na evil spirit possess these two people, me I don't know again. Oh, my darling people. I go put the video. Una go listen for the beginning to the ending. Then I go know how I will leave una comment, my darling people. Thank you for watching.
Oh, yeah, now they talk. I wanna tell the fuck each other. How many times fuck her? Why you are they talk? How many times fuck her?
3 times now fuck her.
Eh?
3 times.
3 times now you fuck her?
Yes, sir. You carry condom for us. Some man of fuck with 10 people. I use condom. Inside small basket, the condom, the extra condom sit inside.
Eh.
Yes.
How many times suck your dick?
As in for 1 hour safe, I never still condom. They suck me steady. That other because they open the room, they distract us, so they bless. Because man not lock, because they lock the door, give us that on my body. Because they steady sucking. That because I say, oh Bob, relax. So now you tell me say you just come me, so I not do. But I used to control me from whichever just shall come. They ask you say as you carry me close.
They open your eye, they talk.
Sag must fuck calm. I swear to God, I fuck her 3 times. I pour 3 times.
Oh yeah. How many times? How many times fuck you? What be your name? Eh? Oh yeah, begin to talk. How you waka?
Okay. I saw him for. I saw him normally, but he not release. So I saw him normally, he not release. So he can't fuck me for palo.
Where you fuck you for palo?
Not for yansh.
Eh?
For my yansh.
Stop that motor. Stop and make on. Oh yeah, na.
For my yansh.
He fuck your yansh. How many times fuck your yansh? Eh? How many times fuck your yansh?
I'm not like when he fuck me, he not release. But he fuck me more than like 2 hours. He still they fuck me.
More than 2 hours?
Yeah.
He still they fuck you?
Yeah.
Eh?
Wait now.
Talk now.
Why is making not flog me now?
No flog her now. Come face your wife.
See my back.
Face your wife now. Mona face each other.
My wife will not business. Only for giving money.
Yes, sir. Oh yeah, face her now. But not be fuck her. Oh yeah. Guy. Face her now. Turn your leg. Not flog her. Not flog anybody. Oh yeah now. Oh yeah now. Talk her mad here. Face her. Face your leg. Mona carry on her leg enter each other. Oh yeah, dress. Dress near each other.
Okay. Like this,
Oh yeah. Oh yeah now. Dress come where. Marry see you now. Oh yeah, I wanna call it. Oh yeah. Talk I wanna tell the do one.
First of all, yesterday, first carry cream from inside the room.
They open your eye, no they close your eye. Your boyfriend there here?
No. First carry cream from inside the room. Because the cream to rub my break. Because they massage my break. And me now so taking my mind at the money. He don't even to the pre-course stand. That's after the sucker. He got clean with software against that cream. He said the cream, this thing, the cream so the entire mouth, he don't like the taste. That's why they suck me ordinary like that. Because suck see that other guy, because normally we enter without their noticed. We not enter the room say we not I'm not they go fuck person safe or in person say they go fuck me. Then we just eat finish and they expect them to go back home. He said because say coffee days, you know if you come out again, say they know the alarm machine they enter or keke or to go out. Let me say you go spend the night to save for him. You can't do tell them to sleep, run on alarm rest again. Oh yeah, small, wait a little before so as devil they do you work when I devil I still put on my body or normally. Let me say I accept the spirit, it's not my body. Fuck don't start. Then we can go parlor. The people they get the rooms, they go to their room. We call the parlor. Now parlor with the you know waste time.
Raise your face up.
We're not on naked. Don't naked, don't be small to me. You must fuck me. He say if you want make I give you the money when you retrieve your phone, you must fuck me. After you go, you get your money cash, they say go transfer for me for early morning.
No, they close your eye.
Wake up. Say go transfer me for early morning as you wake up. Oh yeah, if I share your you do okay. Now I can't sleep because normally I don't tire. I can't sleep. I would not tire. See they wake me say you need more. I say no, what should I not? They gonna go. Man sleep. I can't sleep. I wake up from sleep again. I'm not seeing Rona. According to waiting, according to ask me where Rona, they say Rona I can't leave me come meet them, knock their open door. I go they wake them up. Because they tell them say like this so say they come out, say we come around 2 o'clock for afternoon.
Raise your face up.
Say they don't let me know. Say I don't tire, I say come around 2 o'clock, you can't come out. I can't really take her like that. 2 o'clock, I know your number off it. Only yesterday when they give me a number, so I don't cram her. Now I call the Corona. Last you come answer me, buy me type call give me my eye they tell me, say phone. Since morning call jam now. I look and say that lie. Now what can me go carry this? Yet you don't involve me again. Which means I'm coming to your house. Anyhow it be. If you don't give my money, I will expose myself. But we are suffering from somewhere. We will go there and get together. Because I will see now when my man spend money for so now be that. I come back now. The first person I say you don't put on my body again on you. When I give me the 15th time I will call my phone. My client they pay next week.
Are you don't fuck am?
No. And then me say I go leak his sweet. Okay, agreement to say now fuck am till 4.
This evening.
That was yesterday. This morning to 4 a.m.
Yeah.
Before time you see it's already come up for the pass. Okay. I can't wait. When I go bring the 15,000 come out and rush to collect my phone. Not being our value or the money. Now I have to collect my phone and press my client normally. But my man said you don't tire for me. So I know the same money they give me, you don't tire. Till this evening, I got a call Rona since after TV. Not reachable, not saying that lie. I must go to Rona house. And I used to show me his store. Then in house, so now somebody now show me a house. Now I come trace and go. I reach Rona, as Rona come out from my house, he see me from upstairs. Now I shock. Now I say, what do you mean you shock now? Say no they expect to see me. I say no be me like come me and my brothers. You say so, which is thank God and Ovi, which is the house where we did yesterday night. All of us like come. But we did that so instead of now another person where they want guy like to do yahoo like me, now call the shin shit, so they give me drink and smoke, which is cigar and Captain Jack. Till he come. He can't finish. Now I say I call the tell because I want to move on, put my money. You must give me that money because my phone have value. Move and reach POS, make give my money. Now tell her say I lodge for the win. Why would not go the win go instead of outside like this very open? Now I tell me say no. People where did the area go not to see we now homosexual. Say when we go where we did yesterday night. For Urugu say opportunity come but once I want to make sure say everybody know because I need my money. Now carry on. Now the very rich there said they wait for me for me and the time of call rich there. We don't go meet her. I don't just wait to enter house. My guy no betting me carry you come. Now my money. Then I say what is wrong with me? Why we should be my money agreement of yesterday give me my phone based on our beg. I know if it be right. If I lose that this money, I don't put my family here for better suffer because I mean want replace money they bought for Lapo safe. Now I got him say show because of say they waka I want to travel lot with him to Europe. So I let 300 say don't go talk to Lapo office for Nepal's office, what also by your right, so which is free in this street. Say reason with one of your friends. Say they agree, say they go give me the loan. Say the friend will sign shorty. Say if I think I finish now to fly, run leave the Lapo people go Morocco. From Morocco to Europe. I say it be say wow, okay, no wala. I could be just the reason, say no worry. Say no rich as because that's the one. No online attack. I say if you enter us, that's pretty goes on my body again. I mean I try to want me to avoid now. Now they are calling to the teller for outside. Now I can't leave me now enter inside house. Let me say the trap don't really cash me. I was too much rich anyway. I first make one comment give her for when the worker come for enter machine. I first throw one give her. I say like no say last so any idea and I brought to bed your office now with the good must give my money. Like I say who are the top? I say I don't know. Like I make one comment for you. I tell the what they give for you tell me say no level. Say vigilante safe no level. Say as far the office ETI they get back up to her. Say no level. Say matter no they go anywhere. Say they must come for a rescue. Wait to come for a rescue. Is no level? Is anyone kind of now me vex. Now start to the class time. I got the class myself. The class time. That is nice thing say nothing like that happen. This that too. God so kind. And I understand the matter since for one brother, not the brother say get baby. I say we must reach vigilante office.
How many times now you call fucker?
3 times now fucker. 3 times now pour.
3 times now you pour for Inyash.
Yes.
How many times you suck your dick?
For 1 hour now I suck my dick.
1 hour?
Yes sir.
Now you suck your dick?
Yes.
Young man,
Sir.
how many times you suck in dick? Talk the truth.
Yes, like what is judge for stroke 1 hour see the suck it.
You know he come.
Eh?
He come.
No, he not come.
You
God
no come.
Almighty not come, yeah.
You no come. How many times he fuck you?
Normally, all the fuck na for parlor.
How many times he fuck you?
Now, you just fuck me 3 hours now we fuck. So normally, I was not cutting the fuck based on it just there on top of me.
How you got do I do lie down means do I wanna take?
You not even like
Sure.
that, sef. You not like that.
Oh, no, wait. Keep quiet now, not talk.
Sorry, sir.
Oh yeah, do as you said for her, do it till they fuck you. Marcia.
But that didn't not flog my back.
They not go flog your back. Do her now.
Okay, see us, sir.
Oh yeah, stand up, do her. How you do her? Like, do her now. Bend down now. Okay.
Open the trouser.
No. Eh?
I just do.
Now so you did, but the back go deep where we get you probably like woman own for a shower quarter. Now go the fuck am.
How you till they fuck her do her?
Now start the fuck am, bro. Stay
Eh?
now the fuck am.
For how many hours so?
From after 2 to almost 4 o'clock.
Now you fuck her.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. It's okay.